Go.
This is on the lateral view. This is your latissimus dorsi. Your rhomboideus superficialis is this, and then it runs underneath the latissimus dorsi all the way down to here. And your scapula muscles are your tres majors, right here and here. Then you have your scapula triceps, right there and there. Then you have your deltoids, which are this right here. This main area pretty much is your deltoideus. Then you have your external obliques, which you can see the striations going down. And then this is your sartorius. This is your iliotibialis is that big right there. Then iliofibularis is the small one right here. Then you have the gastrocnemius. And on this side you have the tibialis cranialis. Then this is your caudofemoralis right here. Then you have your pectoralis, your supracorcoideus, and your biceps brachii right there. I believe that's it.